99.6% of everything that goes wrong with the car after we work on it can be caught. And so we started there, and we realized that, hey, we want to differentiate ourselves not on price, but on quality and experience, right? And so I decided I'm going to make this brand of a very high-end experience for people that want more of a concierge type experience with their auto repair. We'll take and get the windows tinted. Whatever you need done with this car, we'll take care of it. And then we realized what an impact it made on the people, especially at the end of the day, because buying auto repair is stressful. Okay. I'm not going to pretend it's not. It is stressful. They are spending money they don't want to spend. They're spending money they don't have to spend. And so if I can put a box of cookies in the car, I can clean the car up and it looks nice when they get back in it. And I've made sure I don't have greasy fingerprints anywhere. I've made it a better experience than what they were expecting and offered them something cool. Now, guess what? When they pick their car up, it's not as stressful as it could have been, right?